What I'm about to tell you is top secret.
No, it isn't really. I'm only joking. The gov.uk website has survived multiple cabinets to become one of the best designed government websites in the world. Its design incorporates accessibility, readability, and low page weights to make it simple to browse and even pleasurable to use. It has won multiple design awards, and part of it is even open source. Yep, it's true. In a remarkable victory for the community, the Government Digital Service has made some parts of the UK's digital national infrastructure available to the public. This includes drag-and-drop web components, style guides, and even a toolkit to get started with emulating government services. You might think, well, this makes it too easy for the bad guys. Yes and no. The normal attack vector is email phishing, which is designed to lead you into entering your data into fake government sites. But I don't know anyone who wouldn't be paying attention to 1. The probably dodgy email address, and 2. The URL of the link you're supposed to click. The double-edged sword of open sourcing is that criminals can use things released for the good of the community for nefarious means, but it also allows curious people like me to create my own spoof. So that's just what I did. Now I should mention that I'm not going for a full true-to-form imitation. This is only a bit of fun. Let's start with the standard header and footer. It's as simple as going to the components section of the gov.uk design system and copying and pasting. Next, every good web page needs a good heading, so that should do it. The font we're using is GDS Transport, coloured black, sized 48 pixels, and bold for a title. Next, we need some form elements so that people can input their sensitive information. Depending on what crafty email the phishing scam has created, this can be anything from your mother's maiden name to your bank details. Even if you would never in a million years fall for a phishing scam, I'm sure you'd agree that even with a single form element, this is a somewhat convincing imitation. A far more motivated entity can do a bit more rearranging and fine-tuning to get a web page tailored to our imagined unfortunate target, but for me, this has already gone far enough.